Hey guys, I went to MAC and I'm just going to show you some things I picked up. So the first thing I got was an eyeshadow in Pink Breeze. It's a frost color and it's pink. It's really pretty. The next color I got was in Carbon, just a deep black. That's Carbon. Then I got Forgery to Luster. And this is what it looks like. I put it right on top of black. I got Wedge, which is a really pretty brown. The matte brown, right under the black. Then I got Electric Eel, right here. Right here. Then I got Sushi Flower. A lot of my friends were telling me about this, so I wanted to try it out. It's a really pretty pink. And it's right up here. Then I got Pink Venus to Luster. The light pink, I put it underneath the Sushi Flower. Then I got Parfait Amour, which is a really pretty purple. It's a frost color on the bottom, underneath the light pink. And I got Honesty, the Luster. It's a really pretty brown color. I don't know if you can see it, I put it over here. So that's everything I got from MAC this time. All the colors are in my hand. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.